Dreamstylechaos. This is your girl Reena at your screen and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got for you a fun testing videos and all of the products are super affordable and meant for the eyebrows. You weren't kidding when say eyebrows can make it or break it. So you just have to try it, I guess, and also you have to try it right. But obviously eyebrow products can be really expensive, at the same time super intimidating. That is why I have some really fun products to battle against each other. This is not particularly a first impressions because I have tried these products like once or twice in the past during a tutorial maybe, but I've never really put them to the test against each other like a battle sort of a video. I'm in a very strong relationship with my Miss Claire eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown. That stuff is bomb and it's so inexpensive, like it's to me honestly. So yeah, that was a crazy long intro. I'm super excited. Without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Let's go. So in total I have 4 products to test, 2 from Amazon and 2 from Club Factory. With that being said, I also have 2 eyebrows only. Nonetheless, I'm going to try all the 4 of these and the 2 best will compete against each other, and I'll obviously be doing a wear test to see who is the ultimate winner, if I may. So yeah, this is going to be really fun. So without any further ado, let's get in. Alright, I'm sorry if you can hear any noises. It's just I have a school right next to my apartment and seems like they haven't yet left school. First, I'll be trying out products from the house of Club Factory. But the reason I'm choosing these before is because these are in the form of pencil and like I told you already, I'm very comfortable using a pencil. And then I'm going to start off with this baby right here. This is how the pencil looks like in terms of the packaging. This is how it looks like. It has a brush and then you open it up and you got a pencil. Now to be honest, there is not that much of a product because when you look at the pencil you feel this is what you get, but honestly it's not the same, like yeah. But nonetheless, we're gonna go ahead. So first I'm gonna line my eyebrows from underneath. Okay, like it. Then I'm gonna go on the top. It's good, it's really good. And now I'm just gonna fill it up wherever I feel I have sparse areas. I like the fact it is not crumbling because that's what happens when you are using a really cheap pencil, if I may. It's either too waxy or too creamy, and this is really perfect. It's very close to my Miss Claire, slightly drying compared to a Miss Claire, but I mean on its own it's really good. Then I'm going to use the brush that came along with. I feel it's super handy. Okay, I like it. I feel the shade is slightly orangey for my liking. Okay, so that's how my eyebrow looks like using the Flamingo eyebrow pencil. Okay, so my first impression about this product is I like it, but I don't like it to like, you know, draw my eyebrows. I would rather use this to like fill it up any gaps or any sparse areas, simply because it has a very powdery finish which I like for filling up my brows and not really for giving it a definition, because I feel it is slightly not precise, which I would really like it to be. Now moving on to the other product, which is by the house of Popfeel, and this is how it looks like. I really like the packaging, to be honest. I mean, it's very sturdy. In terms of what shade I'm using the shade 03, and you have a lot of shade options in both of these. That is one reason why I picked it up. First up, you have a pencil, which is actually not your regular pencil. It has this really beautiful angular shape to it, and on the other side you have this really nice quality spoolie. And the best part is, you know, it's not one of those where you retract and it doesn't go back. You know, you don't have to be committed to how much product you need. So you know, it's very flexible like that, which again highly appreciate. So honestly, not gonna lie, working with an angular brush is slightly tricky. Like you just have to get used to it. Rather, you need to get an idea about how to make it work. Okay, this is really waxy compared to what we use, but at the same time it does have a bit of pigment, so that is great. Again, you know, holding this is kind of like tricky because usually what you do is you hold it like a pen, but with this I'm holding it like a sword or something, because with a pen I don't know if I'm able to get that kind of precision because it's blocking my view. I don't know if that's just me or I haven't got the right way of holding it, but I mean it's still getting the job done, so no complaints there. You see it already has drawn a very neat line comparatively. Obviously it's not yet blended, and now with whatever I have done so far, I'm going to blend it with the spoolie. Oh, it's good. Okay, it is good. And even though this product is waxy, I don't feel any tightness around my eyebrows where it makes it really, okay, you know, it's funny when I'm talking and I'm trying to move my eyebrows, but yeah, I'm very comfortable with the product. I don't feel it like it's too heavy or like, you know, not comfortable. Okay, now between both the products, I honestly think I'm digging into the popfeel one, because I really like how it was on my eyebrows, like the angular shape. It is a little tricky and you have to make your way work with it. From the house of Club Factory would definitely be Mr. Popfeels, and sadly Flamingo eyebrow pencil is going to be a runner-up. Also, in terms of removing, this was like 1, 2, 3, boom. Now moving on to Team Amazon, we have two competitors right next to each other. Now this is going to be really interesting because both of them are actually priced the same, so there is no particular price difference. However, in terms of the amount you get 14 ounces / 4 grams of product in here. Okay, with this you get 4.5 ml of product, and both of these styles of consistency is something I've never tried. I always wanted to. One is a regular old school pomade, which again maybe something you all are familiar with, and this is something really interesting because it's called Eyebrow Liquid. So apparently it's like a liquidy formula for your eyebrows. Okay, so the pomade is from the house of FOCALLURE Brows Gel Cream, and the shade that I'm using is going to be 02, a eyebrow product, and you actually also get an angular brush. Honestly, I don't like it because it's too tiny to be useful, so I'm just going to chuck it off because I really want to give this one a fair shot, and hence I'm going to be using my Real Techniques angular brush instead. So I've taken some product from the pot and I'm going to put the excess on the cap so that, you know, I don't have strange looking eyebrows. Ooh, okay, that's easy. Okay, no wait, I have to do it quick because it's drying. Shit. Ooh, it's very, very waxy. It looks very pigmented, but on your eyebrows it's not that crazy. Maybe because I got the excess on the cap and this is the place where I'm actually picking up the product. Ooh, okay. Okay, so I'm going to take some more product and I'm not going to remove any excess and go straight. Ooh! That's pigment, I'm scared. I'm going to take it off. That's not happening. Maybe I went a little cray with this. I don't know. I feel my brows look very heavy and very Instagramish. Probably very appropriate. Or maybe I'm just not someone who's very used to like thicker, fuller looking eyebrows, and I'm confused how I feel about it, honestly. So first thing that you get is a good sized tool, which I'm all about that like. And now let's move on to the product. Now this is in the shade 02 again, and this is by the brand Pudaier. I'm pretty sure I'm butchering that name, so I'm not going to try that again, but yeah. Right off the bat, I'm not the biggest fan of the shade because I feel it's slightly too ashy and slightly too cool tone for my liking. It's gonna be interesting. I'm gonna give it a good shake because it is a liquid product, and I think it's only fair to give it a nice wiggle and a shake situation. I'm trying to draw a sleeping line, but it's getting inside my eyebrow and then it moves up, so it's not steady. It's not steady at all. I'm really trying to draw a line at this point. I'm not sure if I like it because I honestly don't. I mean, end of the arch is dead. It doesn't exist. It's not coming off, which is a great thing, I guess, but also not because now it's stuck on. Now what I'm going to try to do is, just to give it a fair shot, I'm going to take the product and I'm going to use the brush, the angular brush that they gave me. Oh, yes, but I think it's okay. Let me scoop you guys really in. Ooh, now I like it, I guess. I think this is doable. This is acceptable and I like it. My thoughts about this product: number one, it's absolutely not beginner friendly. So if you're a beginner who's trying to get into the eyebrow field, probably you want to stick to pencils. This is just too much, and so is the pomade, to be very honest. Next up, what I would like to say though about this, I think with this brush that they gave me, it was really great because since the brush is not too dense, because the Real Techniques one is super dense, and as a result it's not very flexible. It remains to its structure, whereas this is very flimsy and it does tend to blend around and move around, which I think was very thoughtful of them. Really, I like the finish of this because with the pomade, I feel it has given me a nice structure, but like to fill it my gaps, it's not done that well of a job. And when I tried to do it the second time, like, you know, when I went really ham, it was, I think it started getting a little crumbly right off the bat. I really like the structure, the lines on this one. but I really like how this one has helped me to fill in my eyebrows. So if you are someone with really sparse eyebrows and you have a nice structure, then probably this is like an add-on step. It's not something that you can use on its own. I think looking at them side to side, I really don't know which one should I pick from the two. I think I want to go with this. I really like how my eyebrows look all filled in. I've made up my mind out of both the eyebrows. I really like the liquid eyebrow. So now what I am going to be doing is I'll get rid of the pomade and then I'm going to be using the winner from Team Club Factory and I'm just going to do my brows one more time. Okay, so currently it is 9:30 and my eyebrows have been on my eyebrows. What? Basically the product has been on my eyebrows for, I'll do the math on the screen, but yeah, I must say both of them are doing really well. I mean, there is no fading, no smudge. However, because at the end this is a competition and I sound very hypocritic and diplomatic, which I like it. With that being said, I do have to say I'm really digging into the liquid eyebrow side because I feel the definition, it's like freshly done, whereas with this I think it's a little faded over here at the edge and on the front. Yeah, with that being said, definitely the winner for the day is definitely the liquid eyebrow. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's Battle of the Eyebrow Products video because it was really fun, interesting and new for me. With that being said, if you like what you saw, don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. While you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell notification so that you get updated every time I'm online. And you should also follow me on my social media, and I upload videos every Wednesdays and Saturdays, and I will see you very soon. Till then, take care. Bye.